Hey, good morning, Carl here. Just coming to you from the home base. Yeah, so I was in St. Louis yesterday. That's the mighty Mississippi River. And there's the Budweiser sign. It's kind of hard to see. And that was a cool bus jug thing. And then the St. Louis Arch. Woo! Yeah, a couple pictures of St. Louis Arch. Yeah. And then boogie back to Illinois. There we go. There's the Budweiser sign. Yeah, it's a better picture of it. Yeah, and there's a cool church. Love old churches. Pretty cool. And another picture of the arch. And then this is a cool boat that was traveling down the road. Took a picture of it. Hey, dudes. Carl here, Bohemian Nomad. Oh, I just got done watching Stuart Hersh's video, Morning Chat. Gives Tim all sorts of great advice. Anyway, I couldn't find it, but I saw it pop across my screen. Old man RV leaving with the geezer wanted me to share a link about Stuart. To be honest, I don't really know how you put a link in a video. So if someone tell me how to do that, I appreciate it. I imagine you just type their name and then it turns up blue, but I don't know. But anyway, it's Stuart, Stuart, Hersh, Hirst. Sure, if you put that into Google, you'll find him. He's got about 270 some subscribers so far. That's pretty good, popping out of the gate. I have my morning coffee with you guys. I'm doing this video on my phone because I got some pictures of St. Louis, and got the Budweiser thing, and that the coolest thing was we were fueling up in a gas station in downtown St. Louis, and there's a car that parks. All of a sudden, an undercover car, whoop, siren, hands on the wheels, and then couple, like a minute later, 4 more cars, as the US Marshals. And they were all in tactical gear and stuff. And then there were like 12 cars within a minute. And they had this guy out and arrested him. And because it was holding us up because we fueled up our car and we were going to go this way and that way, but we couldn't because it was all full of these US Marshals. And this cute, I mean, I'm sorry, but this lady was very attractive in this US Marshals tactical gear. Props, but she was all business, and they were all business. And of course they were hunting down a felon. And within 2-3 minutes, they had it all taken care of. And then 5 minutes later, you wouldn't even know anybody was there. But wow, that was super cool. That was just like being on a TV show. And there are other people with their iPhones out filming it. I didn't want to do that because I don't know how to blur out their faces, But that was super cool. I wonder if that was on the news. But anyways, Z-Car was in the comments of CR Hersh. Cool Z-Car. Oh yeah, Z-Car. I forgot I haven't done that in a while. And then New York Dan, I was going to sleep watching his video. Yeah, I mean, not because his video was boring. It's just because it came up while I was going to sleep. He was born, New York Dan was born without eyebrows. Who knew there was such a condition? But don't you worry, New York Dan, because Barium Exposure says he's going to shave his eyebrows off and give you his eyebrows. So Leslie or Madonna, or I don't remember your girlfriend's name. She can glue them on there for you. And New York Dan isn't going to pay Barium Exposure's $2,000. He thinks that he gave him a plug in his video, so his thing should go viral. He'll make $200,000 off of New York Dan's plug. that dude is a nutty, crazy dude. He's always got that Route 66 stuff. I'll put in a Route 66 thing for you. I'm on the Route 66 all the time. I was on the Route 66 yesterday. Yeah, this is the Route 66 map. If you zoom into it, you can see the whole thing from Chicago to St. Louis. There's around Bloomington. Here's Elkhart. Doom, doom, doom. Yep. And then I got a water tower for you. Yeah, there's all sorts of cool stuff to do on Route 66. I think this year's going to be the 100th anniversary, and all cool roadside attractions. You see all sorts of stuff like this, and old advertisements and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yep. And then of course there's Z-Car right there. Hello, Z-Car. How's it going, buddy? Yep. St. Louis. Yeah, I got the day off today, but I'll work. I'm gonna do Spark, or I'll do Flex if I can get one. What up, dude? There's the Fredster for you. Get you some Fred action. Yeah. Hello, I'm the Fredster. Fredster. Yep, he's the Fredster. Yep, he's a cool dude. Let's talk to Alexa, because Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, and happy birthday to Jedi Master Mark Hamill.
It's Mark Hamill's birthday today.
And always.
Pretty exciting. Hey, Alexa, is it going to rain today?
From Reuters. Good morning, Carl. No rain is expected today. By the way, I've got a brand new voice with Alexa Plus. Want to hear it?
I'm trying to
Just
sell me
say,
something.
Alexa,
I'm a
can I
minimalist.
hear
I'm
your
trying
new
not to
voice?
buy stuff. Right, Fredster. Fredster. We got to go let them know that you're here. What is with this Alexa thing? It's supposed to not do stuff if I don't want it.
And the wounded detainees were in critical condition.
There we go. Sorry about that. Alexa, is Sarasota Tim going to jail?
Sorry, something went wrong.
Alexa, Sarasota Tim, an
I'm
honest
not quite
person?
sure how to help you with that.
Oh my gosh.
Media reports
Why do I gotta be so old and not know how to do all this stuff? I don't know. What do you think, Fred? Get you down here so you can read the picture. Yeah, why I gotta be so old? Yeah. Anyway, this is going way too long. Now, I am gonna try and use the GoPro today and put it all together on my computer, because I got a good night's sleep and I have time. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Don't beat on me like I'm a drum. I don't like it.
Sorry, I'm having trouble accessing your This Day in History skill right now.
Oh, stop it, Alexa. Anyway, Stuart, great advice to the old Tim Timboree. I don't know if he'll take it, but tell us all how to get food that's inexpensive and cook it good. I'm into it. That's what I'm looking for. Because that'll be cool. It's good to have you on here, Stewie. You got to meet RV Living with the Geezer. He's awesome. So if you go to Texas, keep that in mind. And anyway, I'm just a babbling dude. Say, we'll see you later, guys. See you later. I'm in my harness. I haven't eaten my harness yet. Yeah, she has a habit of eating her harnesses, biting through them. Yep. So we'll be back later on. Hopefully we'll do some fun stuff today. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah.